है मेरे
I
पास.
know you have a bada, but this is a I have seen only one video, but it's very nice, very novel thing to start a parikrama. The name is very apt for this particular interview. Yeah,
Yeah,
duration I feel is 1 hour is too long, but it's okay since it is a.
we'll start now. Yeah. Good evening. Namaste. Hi everyone. This is Padma from Hyderabad, India. Hearty welcome to Padma's Parikrama from ordinary to extraordinary, which introduces numerous famous personalities on the prestigious platform The Fertile Brains. Firstly, I would like to thank Mr. Prasanna Kumar, who is the founder of the Fertile Brains, Rupali Sarkar Gaur ma'am, who initiated this program, and all the team members of the Fertile Brains for making these things happen successfully. The Fertile Brains is a place where poets meet to share their minds and hearts on every Sunday and runs important segments which focus on our legendary Indian poets and conducts discussions which promote new authors. In addition to these, the Fertile Brains is unique in its efforts to bring into focus our well known Indian poets through its program Poets Meet Poets. Through my book, it launches new and old authors through vibrant discussions by erudite scholars. Twinkling Minds is another program on the fertile brains which helps children write and appreciate literature. All the creative people on this forum discuss various worldly topics that enrich every listener. The ultimate aim of the fertile brains is Vasudeva Kutumbakam, which says the world is one family. Let me introduce myself. I have been in the field of education for a long period of time and worked as the principal of a school as an academic coordinator, the head of the Department of English, and the teacher of English. And I have worked in India in various international schools and also in Maldives for a few years. When I was the head of the Department of English, I trained many teachers. And whenever I was working in different schools, I organized various cultural programs too. So when I talk about my literary journey, I started it long ago. I'm a bilingual writer. I write in English and Telugu, which is my mother tongue. My writings have been published in various national and international anthologies, newspapers, magazines, and also on e-journals, I can say that. So I was also the editor of Your Space, Muse India for a few years. So that's what about me. Being kind means it is responding to the needs of others. All people can be kind no matter whether they are young or old. Compassion isn't about solutions, it is about giving all the love that you have got. Success is not how high you have climbed, but it is how you show difference to the world or how you make positive difference to the world. That is what success. So, among us, we have a wonderful human being, and she has done a lot of work for the society. She's a wonderful human being, shows concern for others, and excelled in various fields. So that is Mrs. Sanjana Bharti. Hi, Sanjana. A hearty welcome to this platform, which is remarkable. We call it the Fertile Brains. I'm so happy and delighted. I'm so happy and I feel so privileged to welcome you to the platform today. Uh,
Thank you so much.
yeah. I would
So
definitely
honored.
say that, yeah, you are a special guest to me for today's program.
Thank you.
Yeah. So, before knowing her life story, let me introduce her by reading her bio. Mrs. Sanjana Bharti is a distinguished professional, philanthropist, and literary personality with a diverse portfolio of contributions across research, social service, and cultural engagement. She began her professional journey at the Sita Ram Bhartiya Institute of Scientific Research, where she was actively involved in cardiac disease research under the guidance of Dr. N. Gopinath, India's pioneering thoracic surgeon. She further strengthened her professional capabilities by completing an entrepreneurship course from IIM Bangalore and under the MSME initiative. A gifted writer and poetess, she authored the Hindi book Pachas Saal Pachas Panne, reflecting on life's milestones. She is a bilingual poet who writes in English and Hindi. She has also served as a freelance compare for national level programs on Delhi Doordarshan. Her philanthropic work includes dedicated service to war widows of the Indian Air Force and Border Security Force, earning her recognition. She also served as president of the Kyiv Women's International Association in Ukraine, representing 92 diplomats. She has extensively worked to support the elderly home run by Dr. Ramakrishna at Karkhana and late Ravi Kalra's Gurukul at Delhi. When she was residing in Kumbhigram, uh, Assam, where the opportunities were limited, she pursued a Bachelor of Education and joined the field of education. Later, as an administrative educator at Bhatnagar's International School, she introduced practical skill-based programs under SUPW, such as basic repairs, creative crafts, and workshops. These initiatives were well received by students from classes 5 to 9 who found them engaging and different from regular academics. What a lovely and wonderful journey you had, Sanjana, and still you are having a beautiful journey. I'm so privileged and delighted to welcome you today.
Thank you. Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
it's my honor to have you today, Sanjana. Actually, where are you basically from, Sanjana?
Uh, I'm born and brought up in Maharashtra, Devlali, if you know this place, Nasik.
Okay, okay.
And my later part was in Delhi.
Uh,
I did my higher education from Delhi only. Then
uh,
got married to an Air Force officer, my husband. He's
yeah,
Air Vice Marshal Sagar Bharti. And
okay.
then I saw all over India. And then we were also posted to Ukraine for about 3.5 years.
Wonderful.
And got
Okay.
a lot of opportunities to learn and, you know, learn a lot of new things, meet
Yeah.
new people. So we have seen a lot of postings,
Mm. So,
approximately closer to 22 postings.
wow, wow, that's really great. You
Yeah.
had good exposure to various
Yes,
places.
yes,
You are
definitely.
so lucky to visit so many places
Yeah.
and learn the culture and all those things from different places.
No, it
Really.
really matters when you go to a new place. You definitely
Uh,
come to know about the people there, about
mm,
the society
yeah,
there.
yeah,
And India is diverse, so you come to know so much. You
yeah,
learn so
yeah.
much.
Yes, really, really. And we have so many states where we can learn a lot of things, and one state is different from the other state, right?
Very true.
Yeah. So, how did you spend your childhood,
Yeah.
and
Uh,
how was your experience as a child
you
with
know,
your?
my father was the one who, was like a role model for me
Very good.
because I lost him very early. He was
Oh,
just about 49.
oh,
But he was one person who, made me bold. I must say that.
Okay.
He always used to say, "किसी से डरना नहीं है."
Mm.
I have my brother who's one and just elder to me, 1.5 years elder to me. So we're just like two siblings.
Mm.
So I grew up with him, with my Devlali years. I'm throughout from an army school, regiment of
Okay.
artillery army school, because Devlali is an artillery center.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I studied there, so
Uh,
I learned a lot of discipline from there, of course. But
mm.
it was very nice. My father never allowed me to sit back. Even in holidays, he used to be.
Mm.
We were told to take up something or the other thing. Either it should be a creative thing or
Mm.
some short courses. In
Mm.
those days, when these things were not popular as we have it now,
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
kids after their school go to for a music class or dance class.
Mm.
In those days, when these things were not common, my
Mm.
father always forced us to do something new. So that
Mm.
really helped. So
Yeah, really, really. The way he encouraged you
yes,
made you like this today.
he used to. He himself was a very great writer.
Yeah, yeah.
Though
Oh, great.
yeah, though he had to first. I mean, he had to take up his father's business, which he never liked it. As it was
Uh,
a
okay.
construction business, but he was very
Okay.
qualified and
Uh,
honorary magistrate, and he was very good in writing.
uh,
Very beautifully he used to write. So
uh,
he used to write debates and declamation contests for me, and any debate which I have done with his writings, I have always won, and that to the first prize. So I
mm.
was not writing initially.
Okay,
He
okay.
was writing for me, and I was just grabbing those things and going for that competitions and winning prizes. It is
Okay.
much later in my life that I came to know that I also can write.
Mm. Very
My
nice, very
mom's
nice.
mom was my mom is a great. She's 86 now. Okay,
Ah.
and she has been also very very enterprising. In my
Mm.
life, because
Okay.
she always taught me how you should always keep smiling and doing your things. If
Mm.
somebody comes to you, never say no to a thing,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
yeah, you have to do that thing. So her you know place in my life is, and that's why I dedicated one book to her also.
Very
That
nice, very nice. See, what I feel is that having such parents is also a blessing.
very important.
Definitely,
Yes.
definitely. Yes, they are the ones who mold us in every
I
way.
don't remember my parents forcing me for studies. Never.
Ah,
I don't
no.
remember. They were
Ah,
always there, but they never forced us कि अभी इतना marks लाना है, you have to do this much
ah,
only. Okay, you will pass,
okay,
go
okay.
to sleep type.
Nice.
So that way it was,
See, when you got freedom, you would do
yeah,
much more.
yeah,
That is
very
also there.
supportive parents we
Yeah,
had.
very nice, very nice. So, would you say that your father is the most influential person in your life?
Yes,
You
definitely. Definitely. I
definitely,
miss
yes.
him.
Yeah,
I miss him badly.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So, how were you as a student in your school and college? How was the student's life? Were you notorious or were you a
No,
dreamer? How was it?
no, I was not notorious at all. Very
Okay.
serious in my work.
Mm-mm.
Initially, I was a very weak student, an average student.
Okay.
But and since I said I also had to change schools initially, but
Mm-mm.
I was I can say not a very intelligent student, but yes,
Mm-mm.
I learned the trade tricks very fast,
Okay.
because I was very outspoken.
Mm.
I used to participate in all the events in the school. I
Great.
throughout I don't remember any class where I was not a monitor, so
Oh,
or a
that's really
prefect.
good.
Yeah, even at in 10th standard, when they don't make a head girl from
Mm-mm.
10th standard, I was made head girl from a 10th standard. Very strict person, very
Uh,
disciplined. But
mm,
yes, I had to learn the tricks of becoming intelligent. So that
yes.
I learned very fast, because my perception of study was to just okay, read out, cram the things and answer. But that's not the way we study.
Yeah.
My brother was more intelligent. I used to work very hard and then give exam, and he used to just not study, but because he had an intelligence this thing. So it used to
mm.
pass. Then I learned those skills, and then I
Okay.
succeeded, of course,
Maybe in a hard way sometimes.
in a hard. It took some time, and I used to be
Yeah.
with the kids, who were very studious, and I
Mm.
used to find out what is the magic behind.
Wonderful,
Yeah.
wonderful. Very nice to know all these things from you, Sanjana. So, could you please talk about entrepreneurship course from IIM Bangalore? What is it all about? What was the course?
See, this MCME course I have done. This is actually a project from the Indian Air Force.
Okay.
So they had, introduced this for the ladies, basically,
Oh, oh.
because when our husbands are commanding a base or other states, we automatically become the saviors of the families. We automatically become the president of that place. We
Okay.
call it as Air Force Wives Welfare Association at the
Okay.
local level.
Okay.
So though we have counselors and all, but we have to sometimes help a lady. She may not be so educated, but she can do a business, or
Mm,
she has lost her husband in the crash. We have to
mm.
support her. So
Okay.
unless
Okay.
we know about the ventures and
Oh,
about the studies, we
oh.
cannot guide them. So that
Ah.
was one of the reasons to do this. So
Oh.
basically, it was to uh, initiate, give commitment to them, motivate them how to go about
Mm.
it. And I found this course to be very, very interesting. You know,
Mm-hmm.
in the sense that uh, there was one of the professor, who said, you should, from your passion and hobby, you should earn. The
Yeah.
passion and the hobby should get you money, even if
Yes.
it is 1 rupee, but it should get you money. So that
Uh,
thing. So every woman should be an entrepreneur. That was
uh,
fantastic. So it
uh,
helped me in that sense. So I started when my pitch was on one of my venture was on shopping through a suitcase. You know,
okay.
so because this was easier for the underprivileged girls,
Okay.
easier for many other ladies who could not spend a lot of money.
Mm,
They used to select things, put it in a
mm,
suitcase, of course through WhatsApp or through WhatsApp groups or through known people. They can send their suitcase to the house, and then they can sell their things. So for
oh,
them, education was not something, that they had to make some
okay.
big high pitches, and then they had to explore in exhibitions and all. So this
Mm.
was easier for them to do it. So
Oh,
that,
so for the yeah.
yeah,
So
basically I
to guide them, you learned all these
yes,
things.
basically to guide them, I learned all this.
Wonderful,
It was very,
wonderful.
very helpful.
Yeah, yeah. It's a great idea, actually. Uh, so what is the one moment that motivated you to go for research in cardiac diseases?
No, as a professional. This thing I'm specialized in the microbiology and biochemistry.
Okay.
So I
Okay.
joined when I this was my first
Yeah.
this thing but I didn't leave it. I was get offered a lot of government jobs also, but the
Okay.
atmosphere in Sitaram Bharati Institute, we were the first
Yeah.
ones to be there.
You were working there, right? I mean,
Yes, we were the first batch, to
first
work
one.
there,
Oh.
and
What were
we were.
your responsibilities at that time?
Yeah, I was looking after the laboratory. This thing, we had a
Mm-hmm.
team. I'll just explain you. We were inclined to do a research for about 5 years before
Mm-hmm.
we wanted a hospital to be made. So basically, Dr. Gopinath had just retired from All India Institute of Medical Sciences, and his focus was to find out, because there were not many means for cardiac this thing. No
Mm-hmm.
surgeries were successful. Out of 1,001 odd successful surgeries
Okay.
were there. So we had to find out the causes in India. What were the
Okay.
major causes for a heart attack or
Mm-hmm.
cardiac disease? So
Mm-hmm.
this was kind of a research we started. We had a team, about 5, 6 teams, where a cardiologist, doctor used to be there, a social worker used to be there, a person,
Mm-hmm.
a technician who used to take the ECGs, and the
Mm-hmm.
laboratory, basically. So
Oh,
we used to do
okay.
all these investigations for them.
Uh, uh,
So we used to collect samples from the field. This was purely field. We did in Delhi and around Delhi. We
okay.
did in parts like, we focused on cultural this thing. So maybe,
Mm-hmm.
a colony where there are only Gujaratis staying, a colony where there are only Haryana people
mm,
staying. So,
mm.
according to that, we came out with this research. We did about 5 years of this research, and
Oh,
what we only came out with that stress was the major reason,
ah,
smoking was the second reason.
yeah.
It was much later that we decided that there was a genetic intervention which was not there, but
Mm,
basically this was there.
mm.
Culturally, food habits of some people,
Okay, these are the
but base,
reason.
yeah, these are the very important things to find out.
Yeah.
So whenever we used to visit a family, I must share such incidents also. When we used to, like, we selected, suppose we used to go to Chandni Chowk, so we
Ah,
selected that area.
ah.
We used to do about 300 to 400 families in
Mm,
about a week's time, or 2 weeks time. So we used to visit that house. We had a
mm.
performer kind of a thing, which our social
Okay.
worker used to see. The cardiologist used to, check their parameters,
Ah,
and the laboratory investigator, we used to tell them that tomorrow morning we will be collecting samples, and
mm,
out of from there we could find out their values. We studied that, okay, if somebody is having a certain, I mean, like, the high rise of blood pressure, and then this kind of a food they are eating, and their laboratory tests, like all the test investigations are on a higher side or a low, we found out that. So gradual investigation was done. There was a
mm,
team of people who used to, study those datas. So
mm,
that
mm.
way it was, and we, again, I met thousands of families. I must share one incident. We visited one family, and we just, when we noted their names, he said, how many kids and all, and what are their names and all. He said, Akashvani Vivid Bharati.
Ah,
So the doctor, Dr. Bindra was there, and he says, Akash was son, Vani was daughter, Vivid
ah.
was son, and Bharati was daughter. So he had two daughters and two sons.
Wow.
So it was,
Great.
these kinds of things. Then there was
Mm,
another family which we met. The child, there was only two kids, and
okay.
my father had already expired. Mother
Oh,
was undergoing cancer treatment.
uh,
These things were there. So
yeah,
from a family background, from the
yeah.
perspective of the colony, from the
Uh,
perspective of their genetic intervention, we
yes.
were doing research. So Dr. Gopinath's vision was great,
Great. Yeah.
because
And
those
it,
days you couldn't find what was the cause of the heart attack. I'm talking about
mm,
90, maybe we couldn't find what was the
yeah,
reason for a
yeah.
heart attack. Today we
And
can say that this is
I
the reason.
think those days, Sanjana, even people were not so serious about knowing the things,
We're not aware
and
at all.
I think they were not even in a position to know why they are getting this disease
Yeah,
and all.
my own father, he had
Uh,
all his arteries
yeah,
blocked, three arteries
um,
blocked. We couldn't get the medicine. A
that's
small
what.
nifedipine tablet was not
Uh,
available in India.
yes,
So these are the problems which, and the surgery, of course, when I say that Dr. Gopinath was the first thoracic surgeon, but still it was
okay.
in the process.
It was in the process, yeah, but it was really a wonderful job you
Wonderful.
have done,
He did
and
very
yeah, it might have been a great experience to you. At the same time,
great
uh,
experience that my father did not allow me to leave that job. I was
uh,
my immediate boss after Dr.
yeah,
Gopinath was Brigadier Chadda. So,
yes, yes,
he was retired from an army,
uh,
and the atmosphere was so nice in the
nice,
office,
yes,
so
yes.
great that my father said, no, you're going to work here only. So
And
that,
one more thing, Sanjana, when we meet people and mingle with them and discuss so many things,
yes, yes.
really
So
interesting.
that opportunity which I got, that presently when I can discuss or be very vocal about certain things, is only
Mm,
the confidence which I gained when I met a lot of
yeah,
families.
yeah, definitely.
And
Wow,
I've met a
wonderful.
lot of families. I mean, if I share my experience, a whole book will be there. How people
Uh,
used to stay, in one room you could find 10 people staying on one small
have
room.
you, yeah, have you noted these experiences somewhere?
Yes,
Have
I
you
did.
recorded or have you written a book or
Yeah,
something like
I've
that?
not written, but it's in my
It
diaries.
is there. Okay, that's very nice. Yeah, something should be there. Yeah. Thank you so much for letting us know all these things, Sanjana. Very nice to know. Okay, what advice would you give people who wish to know how to avoid having a cardiac disease? At least in one or two sentences.
The first reason for this is stress.
Mm.
that everybody knows about it. We unnecessarily take stress. Now, the
Yeah.
stress can not be of monetary things, or the stress can be that I have not done an exercise today. I
Mm.
have not done my dieting properly.
Mm.
I could not do anything for my kids. No, you should not take stress. Stress
Ah,
is one thing. Stress in your daily routine, that is
daily
very,
routine. That should be avoided.
that should be avoided. That is a
Okay.
very important thing. Stress is smoking.
Smoking should be
Smoking,
avoided.
smoking though is like a killer.
Killer, right? Yeah.
Smoking is like a killer. And then most important is that when you see the changes in your body, you should
Uh,
always react to it and
yeah.
immediately. Now there are wonder medicines. The medical
Mm.
fraternity is everything. It's like we are so advanced. So if you just come to know that, okay, this is a small reaction, or you have to take an action against it.
Oh.
Yeah, that might got
Yeah,
still.
sorry. There was some
It's okay.
problem with my net issue, I think. Yeah. Sanjana, as a philanthropist, what did you do for war widows of Indian Air Force and Border Security Force? Could you share your experiences with them?
As I told you before, that whenever your husband commands a
Mm.
place, you automatically is given the responsibility to look after the families.
Yeah, yeah.
So what happens is, whenever in the Air Force there is generally either an accident or road accident or a crash. So some are air warriors' wives. I'm not
Mm.
talking about only the officers. There we have
Okay.
a officer-oriented, a full strength. So
Mm.
their people, the soldiers, the ladies are not much educated. Presently,
Mm.
the things are totally different. They are very well
Mm.
educated and very.
Mm.
But I'm talking much a few years back when we were there. So we have to first guide them. That is a very important. We have to be with them. This is
Mm.
to till her life settles. That's
Yeah,
very important. So we have had many incidents. Either we help them to get a job, because if she's very young and she's not educated, then we
yeah.
have to find ways to help her.
Yeah.
So
And one more thing, you have to make them brave also, courageous,
either we
that
teach them, either we encourage them to
right.
take a
Mm, mm,
skill which we have among our women's this thing, among our Air Force wives welfare. We call it as AFA. So we have
mm.
skills like tailoring, we have skills like typing, we have skills like knitting, we have skills like normal skills which an uneducated woman can take up.
Okay,
Cooking nowadays, we have also added that part of it also.
very
Or if
nice.
she intends to do some higher education, we help her
Mm,
there also. Now,
okay.
in that meantime, we want to make her stand on her feet. What
Mm,
happens is, when she loses her husband, she's taken for granted.
mm.
Okay, of course the help from the government, the pension is there and everything, but her identity gets lost.
Yeah, definitely.
And if she's not educated, the kids are not very serious with her mother.
Mm,
We want her to be remain busy. So there was an incident in our station, and
mm,
I had to call that lady, and she was a very docile, third past lady, and she had never stepped out of her house. She was. But then I asked her to work in our. We have thrift shops for our stations. Our airport stations are generally remote. So
mm,
there I asked her to work there, because at least she could show the stuff. So she was, initially she was very reluctant, but with
mm,
repeated counseling and all. So I
mm,
still remember when we were posted out of that place, the way she came and thanked me. So these
mm.
are the things which really matters.
But we feel so bad to see such innocent women,
Yeah. So, but
unkilled.
Air Force is very capable, and
Yeah, no,
they
that,
will really
yeah.
support our families very well.
Yeah, that way motivating is really a great job, I would say that.
And we go to an extent. We have policies to help them for their
Mm,
first house, for their children's education. We have
mm,
funds. We raise funds also. We have funds also.
okay.
AFA card is a lifetime membership card, which is a very
Mm,
important thing. The
mm,
moment somebody gets married, we
okay.
enforce that the AFA card is made within that 3 months.
Okay, Sanjana. What responsibilities did you hold as the president of Kiev Women's International Association at Ukraine for 92 diplomats? How was your working experience with them?
You know, I must tell you that people in Europe and other parts of the country still have
Mm.
that perception that India is a very backward country.
Oh,
They still have this, they had that time also, that it's
okay.
still the snake charmer's delight, but it was not.
Uh,
So we had to, I specifically, you know, thought that we should change this perception. So
okay.
there were ways, you know, by talking, they don't understand.
Oh,
They were very fascinated with the saris which we used to wear.
oh,
They were very fascinated with the jewelries which we used to wear,
oh,
fascinated with the food which we used to serve.
okay.
But still, back of their mind, they always thought we are very, very backward. So I had to explain to them. So I still remember that I got a few magazines from India. I asked our ambassador to get sent some magazines and all. So the ambassador's wife sent me a lot of magazines. Are we live? Shall I repeat what I said?
Yeah, I could not listen to you the last two sentences.
I will also, when I complete this, I would like to add from the BSF point of view for the war,
Okay.
as we call them as Veer
Yeah.
Kalyan, but later on. So, you know, I changed the perception by calling them for the coffee mornings,
Okay.
showed them our magazines, Indian
Mm,
magazines, you know,
mm,
showed them the, you know, how to wear, show how to wear a sari, how rich in our culture we were. I also told them that we are like, in India, we are like queens. You don't have a servant, but I've never seen my mother cleaning the utensils. I've never seen my but we always had help cleaning, you
mm.
know, doing jhadu pocha and all. I've always seen, but there they have to do everything, household
Yes,
chores they have to do.
yes,
So
yes.
they were quite shocked to know that. They thought, no, no,
Mm,
we have been struggling. I said, no, we are
mm.
like queens. So
Yes.
that perception somehow I could change.
Oh, great.
We had to do it. And so here I
Mm.
just come back to that, you know, when we were talking about the war widows, I must share this incident with you in
Yeah,
BSF,
please,
the
please
security
do that.
force,
Please.
when my husband was on deputation. I'll
Mm.
share this incident, which is a very sad, you know, we generally don't call them as widows, we call them as Veer Kalyanis. This was also
Yeah,
introduced much before.
yeah, yeah.
So, you know, there was an incident because border security force, most of the ladies are from remote areas like villages.
Mm.
So this incident, she just called me once and she said, "मैम मेरे मेरे पास ना मेरे husband का pension नहीं आती."
Mm.
You know, the reason when we found out was very strange, that the relatives used to take the pension from the banks,
Okay.
sign that thing, and take it away, and they were not given that kind of.
Oh,
So, you know, the DG's wife, she intervened, I intervened, and I spoke to the manager and all, and then things were sorted out. So, this
mm,
kind of a help which is extended.
mm, mm.
So, this
Okay.
is just one incident which I wanted to
Um,
add.
very nice to know. How about your experience with these elderly homes? You worked in two places, I think, right?
Yeah, it's not only two places. Initially, I used to, because I have a knack of writing.
Ah,
So, before leaving Delhi, you know, when we were on deputation with Border Security Force, so we were staying in Minto Road. So
mm,
there were about 8 towers there.
mm,
So, you know, I just mentioned that we have everything, the clothes, the food, and
mm.
all. Let's share it. And you
Okay.
will not believe the response which I got. About
Mm,
4 to 5 truckloads of things.
mm-hmm,
So
mm,
I collected it. And Ravi Kalra is now, he's late, Ravi Kalra. Uh,
mm,
he runs an institute in Delhi, it's in
mm,
Gurugram,
mm.
where he takes abundant elderly people,
Okay.
he looks after them, and
Mm,
also, you know, do their final rites, as
mm.
nobody comes from their house. So, you
Okay.
know, that if a person is doing so much, so he's always short of food, short of
Mm,
clothes, short of
mm,
medicines, and short of
mm,
funds.
mm,
So these are the things which I collected just with the power of my little writing, you know. On
mm,
WhatsApp, I use this medium only for these things, and such a great response I got from them. People came, how to, give so many things and all.
This is what humanity. This is
Yeah.
what
I use this
humanity.
medium to just, help people.
Very nice.
Yeah,
Very nice.
because
Wonderful. Wonderful.
he once when I was talking to him on phone, and he when he was alive, he told me, "Ma'am, आप कुछ ज्वेलरी भेज सकते हो आर्टिफिशियल?" तो I just asked him. I said, "इतने elderly लोग हैं, तो ज्वेलरी,
Okay.
he told me, he said, "मैम, जब हम लेडीज को वो ज्वेलरी देते हैं, वो बड़ी खुश होती हैं चूड़ियाँ पहनकर और हार पहन." I mean, this was amazing. These are the things which we learn. And what
Yeah.
I've learned after looking after all these things, that the old
Mm.
age homes should be made with the orphanages.
Mm.
The elderly need younger generation.
Yeah.
The elderly doesn't need another elder besides.
Yes. Yes. True. Very true. Very true.
That is a very important thing.
Yeah. 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 I
Very, very,
completely agree with you, Sanjana. Okay. Very nice to know all these things and working for such people with lot of concern and generosity. This is really something great. Hats off
I
to you.
always use social media for all
Ah,
these things. Like,
for these things.
what are we doing? This is because of the social media,
Ah,
we can exchange our
yeah.
experiences
Yeah,
to
yeah.
many people.
Now communication has become so easy and fast for us,
Yes.
right? We
So
can,
that's all.
yeah. Only the thing we need, helping hands. So that we need, and people are ready. Many
My
people.
great grandmother used to always say things that either आप तन से करो, मन से करो या धन से करो, किसी से तो
Oh,
करो.
very good. Very good sentence. Achha. Okay. So, what did you do as a freelance compare of Delhi Doordarshan for national level program? And how was your experience, Anjana, there? What did you do exactly?
Actually, I initially started this. They did my interview regarding my research work and all, and
Okay.
then thereafter, because I was very spontaneous and all, they offered me a program called
Oh,
Parikrama.
oh,
This used to be an art-based program, very long time, and then a youth program where
okay. Mm.
I used to interview people, and this was my starting point. And I did this with my job. So
Mm.
I'm very, very grateful to Dr. Gopinath as well as Brigadier Chadda, who allowed me to go to the Doordarshan. Those days I had
Okay.
to go from
Which
South
year
Exit.
it? When was it?
This
In which
was
year?
1980, 85.
Those days that national TV was only Doordarshan. We used
Only
to.
Doordarshan. So I was a celebrity, in my colony, in my society, and everybody. Because
Great,
in a
great.
week, I used to do about 4 programs.
Oh, wow.
I was a good orator. So
Ah,
as I said, I learned writing. That is the time in Doordarshan when I learned how to write, because one program was there where I had to interview Manorama. And
mm,
I was little, confused. Ki now, and my brother is an encyclopedia of Hindi cinema.
mm,
But
mm,
that day he
mm.
was busy or not in a mood to write for me and all. Then I just went and wrote myself. That is the day I explored myself that I can write. I did a
Okay.
lot of national programs like Yoga Abhyas. I did a series of Yoga Abhyas
Oh,
programs every
mm,
national every morning. I did
mm,
about more than, I think, 45 programs.
mm.
I did Kala Parikrama program, youth programs. Then
Okay.
there were, I still not remember also. There were many
Okay.
programs which I have
Okay.
done.
Okay.
And on a
Wonderful.
regular basis. They were all regular programs.
Oh, great. Great job,
I also
actually.
did Doordarshan Gorakhpur after
Ah,
marriage.
okay.
Doordarshan
Okay.
Gorakhpur, there I did Apurham programs and a lot of mushairas also I
It
compared.
it might have been a very wonderful experience, right? Very nice, sweet memories. You might have had
Yes,
sweet
definitely.
memories.
Definitely,
Yeah,
definitely.
yeah, very nice. Okay. What were your responsibilities as an administrator in Bhatnagar's International School in Assam?
This is very strange. My car was parked on a wrong parking and they took it away.
Uh,
The police took it away, and I just went to that place and I got my car back and I saw this board. There
mm,
was a school which was affiliated to Bhatnagar's International School.
uh,
I
uh,
just walked in and I got a job. Will not believe it. I just walked in, and they said, "Would you like to join?" And I joined, and I had done my bachelor's of education, and
Yeah,
I.
yeah.
But then there was a program where I compared, and I was doing some workshops with the kid. So Mr. Bhatnagar, he's Dr. Bhatnagar,
Mm-hmm.
he said, no, you will be now looking after the administration. And so there I joined this Bhatnagar's International School in Vasant Kuch.
Mm-hmm.
But that was a very short but very nice experience,
Mm.
because then I had a free hand to do a lot of things.
You
So
enjoyed a
where
lot.
I in those days I introduced this skilled based
Like
education
SVP,
under,
SPW
yeah,
classes and
socially
all.
useful productive work. Where otherwise, in our times we used to just do a little bit of cooking or a
Mm.
batik work or a painting work. But there,
Mm.
I started this, and
You
it was very
started
well.
teaching the children.
I started, the child can repair their own toys, battery
Mm.
operated toys, or
Mm.
torches. The vision
Yeah.
was Dr. Bhatnagar's, but then
Mm.
implementation was very nice. When I,
Mm.
sort out the things for them and all. It was
Very
very,
nice.
very nice experience.
Mm. It is always a great experience. Being with children itself is a wonderful
Yes, yes.
feeling, right?
Yeah.
Mm.
I feel that teaching should be done very differently. It can be
Mm.
done differently. You can
Yeah.
explain. It should not be stereotype teaching only from
Yeah.
books and all.
Yeah. True,
It
true.
should be
That's
different.
true. Nice. Very nice to know about it. Mm. Now, how was your, oh, sorry, I want to ask you, you got an award, right? I'm just checking
Yeah,
that.
that was again, I told you, when I
Can
this
you please
it,
talk about the awards and your
see, I
experiences
have
when
been
you,
doing this for the Veer Kalyanis. So
uh,
in BSF, actually, there was nothing, for the Veer Kalyanis basically. So
that is
the
one
DGs,
is, you got two awards, right?
yes, one I got it in Air Force, much when
Uh,
I was very young.
Plaque Award,
Yeah,
Commendation Plaque
yeah,
Award, and
commendation
one
plaque award,
more.
which I got. This was when my husband was posted to an airbase, very northern airbase, that is twice. So this was
Oh,
the award which was given to me,
wow.
because making the ladies stay itself at that level, it's towards a very high altitude area. So
Mm,
I'm very touched by this award. This was my
very
first
nice.
award. I've got a lot of recognitions, but when you're recognized with such things, you feel very nice. And
Definitely.
our seniors, for instance,
Yeah.
Vandana Tyagi was there.
Uh,
She awarded me with this. She was our chief's
uh,
wife, so she awarded with me
and you
this.
got one, you received it from Smriti Irani.
Yeah, that was from the BSF side only, Border Security Force. She
Uh,
was our chief guest,
okay.
and this was the award given to me from the Border Security Force. The
Okay.
DG's wife was there.
This
And
is for
this thing, this
what
is
is it?
again for, as I shared with you, for the Veer
Same.
Kalyanis, the work
Oh.
done for the Veer. I, in fact, formulated a framework for them, how to
Mm,
reach to them, how to reach to the remote areas.
yeah.
We organized sessions for them. Then we
Mm,
had to reach out to them. So we had floated some telephone numbers. There is a
mm,
cell, in Delhi, where they work for them, but it
mm,
was not streamlined. So
mm.
that's how I could talk to each and every person. I could reach out to them.
Okay.
Even now, after my husband has retired, for after so many years,
Mm,
I still, the calls come to me.
mm.
I mean, that kind of a thing, I'm really thankful, grateful to God, that I could be of some help to them.
See, Sanjana, when I heard all these things from you, I would definitely say you are a versatile person, versatile woman. And your thinking process itself is something great.
Oh, thank you so much.
The way you think, the way you want to show concern for others, the way you want to uplift people, that itself is a great thing. You
Yes.
know?
My focus is only to invest in human
Yes.
relations.
So happy to meet you today.
Yes.
And the way you developed connection with people is amazing, I would say.
I'm
Wonderful.
still I'm still connected with people.
Yeah, yeah.
I
And the
organized for my veterans Air Force
mm,
ladies. We are quite a few over here in Hyderabad.
yeah.
Every 2 months, we all organize a get together. Where you
Mm.
meet all the veterans, and it took me about 3 months to get their telephone numbers and take them on board on WhatsApp.
Mm. Mm.
I very early, when my son introduced me to this, he was the one who made me tech savvy by presenting me a tablet for the first time when the tablet was not very popular in India. So he
Okay.
presented me with that, and he made me tech savvy.
Mm.
So
Mm.
that then I decided, yes, I can make use of this. So
Yeah,
I
yeah.
made a platform for the veterans ladies. I collected their telephone numbers. I first got 10 numbers. From 10, it became 20. And today we are about more than 300 ladies, on board.
Okay.
So
Okay.
it's
Could you please talk about your literary journey? Who inspired you in the beginning to start writing?
this is
Father.
yes, my father, of course. There is no doubt. My brother is also a writer. My
Okay. Do
husband
you?
also writes. My
Oh,
husband writes beautifully. My daughter-in-law writes very nicely.
wow, wow.
Beautiful.
Great.
She's a great comparer, orator, and this thing.
Okay.
And my
All
son.
writers are in the family.
Yes, but she is my son and daughter-in-law both are pilots. They are Indian Air Force
Oh,
officers. Yes,
wow, wow, great.
and so a lot of people have inspired me. And as I said, that it was just the Doordarshan. This thing when I came to know I could write,
Wow.
and yes, I can write in two languages, English and Hindi. I
Mm.
rhyme out. I have a expertise of rhyming out fast.
Okay, okay, okay.
I I met with an accident when my husband encouraged me to write. I was in bed. I had met with a very severe bad accident, a car accident when my I was turning 50 that year.
Okay.
So my husband encouraged me to write, and then I wrote this book of mine, and this was again in the poetic
Pa-
form.
Pachasar, what is
50
it?
साल 50 पन्ने.
Would you like to give a glimpse of your book?
Yeah, sure, I
What
will do
is
that.
what is it all about? Can you
I'll do
please
that.
talk about it? Yeah.
Yeah, I will just do that.
Mm.
This is my book, and I
Very nice
dedicated
cover.
dedicated this book to my mom,
Mom. Mm. Very nice.
where I
Mm.
can read what I've written.
Yeah. Is
This
it
is
a
very-
poetry collection, Sanjana,
It
or
is each page has got 14 lines, 7 couplets, and
okay,
it is
okay.
each year, and it has been in poetic form. So
Wow.
yeah, it has
Ah,
got 50 pages in poetic form.
okay, okay. Would you
It
like to
takes,
read something from that
yeah,
book?
sure, I'll do that. I'll do that.
You can read in any language, no problem.
This is Hindi only.
Yeah, yeah, please, please go ahead.
This actually has been since I'll start with my mother. Urdu touch is also there.
Okay, okay.
महफूज रही उनकी वजह से हमारे दिलों की मासूमियत, हम भी लुटाते रहे उनकी प्यार की मिल्कियत, चूम लूँ मैं आज भी वो हाथ जो उठे उनकी दुआ के लिए, माँ बाप से ऊपर ईश्वर भी नहीं है मेरे लिए.
Wow, wow.
I'll read two, 3 lines of the pages.
Okay.
पुराने रिश्तों में नए रिश्ते जोड़ पाना मुश्किल ज़रूर, पुराने रिश्तों में नए जो रिश्ते जोड़ पाना मुश्किल ज़रूर, पर खामोशी से उनका दबे पाँव आना ए हजूर, सिमट के रह जाती हैं मुट्ठी में पुरानी यादें, नई ईंटों से बनती हैं नई बुनियादें.
Wow.
कितनी सच्चाई है इस बात में कि इस दुनिया में हर शख्स तारीफ का कायल है,
Mm.
पर फिर भी बुराई से हमारे दिल और दिमाग घायल है.
Very touching
My
lines.
my dad always used to say कि इस दुनिया में हर शख्स तारीफ का कायल है,
Yeah,
कभी किसी की बुराई नहीं करो.
very good.
Always used. रोशनी की तपस उजले तन को भी झुलसा दे, अधूरे ख्वाबों की मंजिल मन को भी रुला दे.
Oh,
करवटें बदलने से सपने टूट जाते हैं,
oh,
कदम आगे न बढ़ें तो रास्ते रूठ जाते हैं.
wow. Nice.
Some more if you want, one more I'll say.
Yeah, yeah.
नमी आंखों की ओझल न हो पाए, ढूंढते रहना चाहिए इसका उपाय. I probably had sent you this in the WhatsApp also.
Yeah, yeah, I have read it. Yeah. But
नमी आंखों की ओझल न हो पाए,
uh,
ढूंढते रहना चाहिए उसका उपाय. सीख लो रहना किसी भी हाल में, पर बदलाव नहीं आने दो रुतबे और चाल में.
wow, wow, wonderful.
This is this is it. Thank you.
बहुत अच्छा है. Sanjana, would you like to recite an English poem? Do you want?
I just written one on peace, but
If
it's
you
very
want.
controversial. Let me just see.
Yeah.
Let me just check it out. Otherwise, I've got. I generally write on many this thing.
Yeah.
Uh, I'll just see that if I can get on women.
Mm. Okay.
Women bears the magical heart, the mystical eyes, the mysterious mind, the magnificent aura, and the miraculous powers to turn the tides which can harm her way. Love and respect are her lifelines. On peace, I've just written, I sent it to very controversial for the present time, peace and war.
Okay.
The price we pay and nothing stays. Stranded people at the airports, scared in their own home and manning their forts.
Mm.
Seeing the skies lit with missiles and drones, waiting for their loved ones to meet and face struggles unknown. We all can pray, but burning egos are getting their way. We all can pray, but burning egos are getting their way. Peace within us is echoing in this fuss. Save me, otherwise, it will be difficult to find me in this world. War after war, we search for peace, but we fail to hold. But we fail to hold.
Yeah, very nice. And very true. Facts well told, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, beautifully told.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay, a few maybe rapid fire you can answer in a word or very briefly. What is your favorite flower? What's your favorite flower?
I like lotus.
Lotus? Very good. What's your pastime, Sanjana? What do you do when you're free?
I'm a very creative person. I like to create things. I can
Create.
create things from waste. That's my forte. Anything waste. In fact, one of my helper used to tell me कि मैडम तो अच्छी चीजें फेंक देती हैं, दे देती हैं और गंदी चीजें रख लेती हैं, पुरानी चीजें रख. But I've got that knack to
Uh,
create things from
best out
anything else.
of waste. You
Best out.
create best out of waste.
Yes.
Yeah, that is good. What is one quality that you imbibed from your mom?
Ah.
One best quality.
My mom is very loving and very giving. My mom is very, very loving, and those two qualities are very important. She has always gone out of her way to help people.
Mm.
Always. As I told you, that my parents always used to say, if somebody has come to ask you thing, he must have thought many a times,
Mm.
and then only he must have asked you. So please give.
Okay.
Never. That's not.
Do you love cooking?
Yes, I do. I do. It's
Okay.
like a stress buster, but regular cooking, no. But yes, I do.
Okay. What is one skill that you want to learn next?
Ah, you know, I want to. I always feel, you know, every day when I love, as I told you, that I'm a creative person. So I like art forms, and I don't like painting much, but I like to create things. So
Okay.
that is one thing which I would like to do it. I'm now getting more tech savvy, especially in
Mm.
video editing. I'm learning now
Okay.
presently how to edit my videos.
Okay. Okay.
That
So
is
nice to listen to you, Sanjana. And it was really enjoyable talking to you
same here.
throughout this period of time. Thank you so much for being my honorable guest today.
Yes.
And you are an inspirational person to many people. You are an inspiration, definitely.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
And I'm so happy and I appreciate you. I appreciate you wholeheartedly for all the work you have been doing.
Thank you so much, Padma. But I must share this with you that you really have a knack to let people speak. You
Thank
really
you.
have that. You know, I'm amazed that very beautifully, and you know, we were just talking to each other and sharing
Yeah.
our experiences.
Thank you so much.
Nowhere I felt that I should be using some flowery language to impress. Nowhere you forced me to do that. It was not
Mm.
a stereotype kind of an interview. I'm quite happy that I
Did you
was
did you like it? Did you like the conversation?
I did. You made me very comfortable, and
Mm.
I have shared a lot of personal things with you,
Yeah.
and I'm very glad that
Yeah.
you interviewed me.
Yeah. Thank you so much. And such appreciation coming from you is something special to me today. Thank you. You made my day,
And
Sanjana.
I'm very true in whatever I'm telling you.
Yeah,
Mean
definitely.
it. I
I
mean it.
I I
I'm
know, I know, I know.
grateful to you. You know, because I was telling my husband, you know, I'm very scared. You know, I don't know. I don't want the stereotype questions, but you made it very, very comfortable. Very comfortable.
Yeah, I'm
As if
so
I'm
happy
talking.
that you loved it. Yeah, thank you so much, Sanjana,
Thank you
for
so much.
spending your valuable time with me,
Thank you so much
sharing
for,
all
you know,
your valuable experiences with me and with all the audience. Thank you so much, my dear
thank you.
Sanjana.
Thank you. One day I'll take your interview.
Waiting for
Thank you so much.
that. Thank you, Sanjana.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Good night.
Good
Good
night. Good
night.
night.
Yeah,
Pleasure.
see you.
Pleasure was mine.
Bye. Bye.